In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add subscribe animations like the ones you can see on your screen right now on your videos for free. And you can do this with both your Android and your iPhone devices easily with the help of CapCut. Now, if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply you immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now simply start by opening up your browser. You can use any browser of your choice. Now you have to search for download copyright free subscribe button. You can see I've already searched for this before. So once you search for this, it's going to present to you, different websites. So I'm going to suggest that you actually use this website, which is Pizza Bay. So once you click on it, it's going to open right up. Now you just have to scroll down to access the free animations that are below. So below you'll be able to see different type of animations. Just make sure that you choose the ones that are having green screen, because if it does not have green screen, it's not going to work. So just find any one that you actually like and then download it, and you'll be able to utilize it on your videos. Once downloaded, proceed to opening up your CapCut app. So once your CapCut app is open, click on new project and then select that exact video that you want to put the subscribe button on. So as for me, I'm going to be using this video that you can see at the top. So I'm going to be using this video. Then once I've selected my video, the next thing to do now is to select add. So once it opens up, all you have to do is to click on add overlay, and then all you have to do now is just select the video that you want to apply, like the animation you want to apply to that video. So once you select it, just click on add and it's going to be on top of your video. So now what you have to do is to remove this green, this green section that you are seeing, this green segment. So to do this, all you have to do is just scroll down below till you see remove BG, which means remove background. So once you click on remove BG, now the next thing that you have to do is to click on chroma key, and now you will have to select the green section of the screen. So once I move it to the green section, you see that the green is totally gone. So all I have to do now is to click on done, and now you can see that there is no more green section around this animation. So you can actually move it to the segment that you want it to be in the video. So you can move it around. So once you tap on it, you can move it around. You can see that, and you can also reduce the size and increase the size as well. So let's play it and see how it's going to look like. So you can see that it actually have a sound. So this sound, you can actually reduce the sound and increase the sound as well by clicking on volume. And here you can increase the sound and reduce the sound of your animation. Now another thing that you can do is that you can move this animation around. Like if you don't want it in the middle, in the beginning, you can move it to the middle. If you hold down on it, you can move it to the middle. You can also move it to the end of your video. So you can actually move your animation around to different segments that you want it to be. So this is the easiest way for you to actually add animations to any of your videos. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it's actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.